Students, now we are going to discuss the definition that question is asked. Define and explain the following terms. Number one, enthalpy of ionization, electron gain enthalpy, and enthalpy of atomization. So definition can be given as the enthalpy change that accompanying the removal of an electron from one mole of gaseous atom. When one mole of gaseous atom is taken and from which the electron is removed, electron is eliminated, then that is also happening by change in enthalpy, and that is called as enthalpy of ionization. Look at this: sodium in gaseous state converted into Na positive gases by losing one electron. There is a loss of one electron. That's why it is called as formation of ion. And that's why it is called a delta ionization H. 494 kilojoule into mole inverse is the enthalpy change. So it is the enthalpy change when one mole of gaseous atom losses, release, remove electron and converted into ion. That's why it is called as ionization. Formation of ion, but for that purpose that substance must be present in the gaseous state, and from gaseous state to remove electron is quite easy. For removal of one electron from sodium in gaseous state, 494 kilojoule energy is absorbed. By absorbing that energy, then electron is removed. So it can be defined as the enthalpy change that accompanying the removal of an electron from one mole of gaseous atom. It is the enthalpy change that accompanying the removal of one mole of electron in its gaseous state. Sodium in gaseous state converted into Na positive by losing one electron. 494 kilojoule into mole inverse heat is absorbed. Means gaseous atom is converted into ion by losing electron, by releasing electron, by donating electron. And that is happening by enthalpy change, and that is called as enthalpy of ionization. After that, electron gain enthalpy. Here electron is lost, electron gain means electron is gain, opposite phenomenon. The enthalpy change when one mole of gaseous phase atom of an element accept or gain electron to form gaseous anion. In previous case, gaseous atom donate electron and converted into ion. Now in second case, gaseous atom will accept electron and convert it into anion. There is a formation of ion, cation. Here there is a formation of ion, that is anion. Look at this: Cl gaseous accept one electron, sodium donated one electron, that electron is accepted by Cl and converted to Cl negative. Electron is gained, electron is accepted, and for that purpose minus 349 kilojoule into mole inverse energy is released. For loss of electron, energy is absorbed, but for gain of electron, energy is released. It's the opposite phenomenon. How can you define electron gain enthalpy? The enthalpy change when one mole of gas phase atom of an element accept or gain electron and converted into ion, that is called as the anion, and that enthalpy change is called as the electron gain enthalpy. Example: Cl gaseous plus single electron converted to Cl gaseous ion negative ion. Delta Eg electron gain enthalpy change minus 349 kilojoule into mole inverse. After that, enthalpy of atomization. We have seen ionization means atom, gaseous atom converted into cation by losing electron. Electron gain enthalpy means gaseous atom accept electron converted into anion. Now atomization means molecule is converted into atoms. That is also happens by enthalpy change. The enthalpy change accompanying the dissociation of one mole of gaseous substance into its atom called as enthalpy of atomization. Look at this: Cl2, it's a molecule. Okay, it is split up into two: Cl gas, two atoms. But Cl is bonded with another Cl. To break such a bond, energy is needed. delta atomization is 242 kilojoule into mole inverse. When 242 kilojoule heat is absorbed by chlorine molecule, it is converted into chlorine atom, another chlorine atom. Means molecule is converted into atoms by enthalpy change, and that is called as enthalpy of atomization. Methane CH4, 1 carbon, 4 hydrogen, 4 covalent bond is there in gaseous state. It is converted into 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen, and for that purpose 1660 kilojoule heat is absorbed. By absorbing such energy, 4 covalent bond is broken, carbon becomes single and 4 hydrogen is separated. Means molecule is converted into atoms, that is called as enthalpy of atomization. Clear? हमने क्या देखा? एंथैल्पी ऑफ आयनाइजेशन, इसका मतलब क्या होता है? जो 1 मोल गैसियस एटम है वो क्या कर रहा है? इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट कर रहा है. इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट होने से वहां पे कैटायन तैयार हो रहा है और एक इलेक्ट्रॉन का क्या हो रहा है? लॉस हो रहा है, और उसका क्या तैयार बन रहा है? आयन. उसको बोलते हैं आयनाइजेशन. उसके बाद है इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन एंथैल्पी, इसका इंडिकेशन है इलेक्ट्रॉन का क्या हो रहा है? गेन हो रहा है. जैसे Cl गैसियस एक इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन किया, Cl नेगेटिव क्या बन गया? एनायन बन गया. इलेक्ट्रॉन का एक्सेप्टेंस है, इलेक्ट्रॉन का गेन है. हो गया. और उसके बाद है एंथैल्पी ऑफ एटोमाइजेशन. 1 mole of substance, gaseous substance, converted into constituent atoms. Cl2, 2 chlorine atom converted into first chlorine, second chlorine. CH4, 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen converted to 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen. And it is done by absorbing some energy, and molecule is broken into constituent atoms by some enthalpy change, and that is called as enthalpy of atomization. Clear? पहला क्या है? enthalpy of ionization. इसका मतलब क्या है? The enthalpy change, 1, removal of an electron from 1 mole of gaseous atom. 1 मोल गैसियस एटम का इलेक्ट्रॉन रिमूव होने से जो एंथैल्पी चेंज हो रहा है उसका कैटायन बन रहा है, उसको बोलते हैं एंथैल्पी ऑफ आयनाइजेशन. Electron gain enthalpy, the enthalpy change when 1 mole of gaseous phase atom of an element accept or gain electron and converted into anion. Cl gaseous, single electron, Cl negative. Or enthalpy of atomization means the enthalpy change accompanying the dissociation of 1 mole of gaseous substance into atoms. Cl2 gaseous converted to Cl gaseous, Cl gaseous. CH4 gaseous converted to 1 carbon plus 4 hydrogen. So that's all about the enthalpy of ionization, electron gain enthalpy, and enthalpy of atomization. So this definition we have seen and their explanation. We will continue on the next video. तब तक के लिए bye bye.